Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make passive income every week selling options on the SPY. If you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to smash the like button. And if you're interested in being a part of my Discord group, there's a link down below in the description, along with a bunch of referral links that if you so happen to find the need or use really help to support the channel. All right, so to start off, I'd like to give a quick shout out to the Wall Street Wolves Discord group. Shout out to them. Shout out to y'all. Y'all are awesome. Just a little background. I've sold premium on the SPY before, and honestly, it was like I timed it perfectly, but not good perfectly, bad perfectly. It's like whenever I would sell premium on the SPY, it would be at the exact worst time. It would be like kind of like back in March when the market just dumped like 20%. So yeah, it was times like that when I sold premium. And of course, when that happens, the easy money you're supposed to be making turns into a big loss. So really ever since then, I've kind of been scared to sell premium on the SPY. But yeah, now that you know my history with the SPY, let's talk about how you can make consistent weekly income with it. All right, so later in this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a put credit spread on the SPY. And with that put credit spread, I can make anywhere from like $7 to $15 for only risking $85 to $90. And I know risking $85 to make 15 sounds bad, but usually in these credit spread situations, the less premium you're making, the higher the probability of success. So the good reason that this can be good passive income is the SPY has 3 expiration dates each week. Imagine you only got $7, which is the lower end of that 7 to 15 range I just gave you. Imagine you got that and you traded that 3 times a week per every $100. So that means you start the week with $100, you profit $7 3 times a week, and now $100 turns into $121. That's a 21% return just off selling credit spreads on the SPY. So you do that 1 week, and then you do that again next week. So now instead of having 121, you made another $21. It's now $142, and you do that another week, and then by the 3rd week you do it, you have enough to, instead of doing 1 contract 3 times a week, you can now do 2 contracts 3 times a week. So instead of making $21, you made $41. And this can really allow your portfolio to compound and really grow up. But yeah, for those of you who don't know how to set up a credit spread, here is how you would do that. All right, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood. Let me show you this real quick. So something that I've been seeing a lot of success with these past few days is trading SPY credit spreads, about $10 out of the money with just a couple days on them till expiration. Shout out to the Discord Wall Street Wolves. They kind of reintroduced me to the strategy. I previously had a bad taste in my mouth from selling spreads on the SPY, so you know, they got me to do it again. But anyways, this is how you would go about that. All right, so yeah, just open the SPY. Notice that the SPY is trading at 337. So you would trade options. Okay, and what we're gonna do is sell a put like $10 away from the money. All right, so you can see I already have a contract, but I'll open another one just a little bit closer for you. So select, we're gonna sell the one closer to the money, and then we're gonna come over and we're gonna buy the one further away. And then we're gonna hit review, and then we're just gonna get one. And this is gonna put, if we do it at this price, it's going to put $85 on hold, and then we'll receive a $15 credit. But we will not have access to that credit until we either buy this contract back, or until we either buy this contract back or it expires worthless. But I like to buy it back before it expires worthless. So yeah, that's kind of how that goes. So I'm going to hit review, and it went down to 14 cents. And I got filled on the order, so yeah, now we just kind of wait, and I'll probably buy it back tomorrow. All right, so you just saw how to set up a put credit spread on the SPY on Robinhood. It's important to make sure that you're a decent amount away from the money, because there are some days where the SPYs can really move, and this can turn a profit of $7 to $15 into a loss of $85 to $93. So yeah, just make sure you give yourself some room for some error, and then enjoy the passive income that you're making off it every week. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below in the comments. If you learned anything or enjoyed the video, please be sure to smash the like button. And if for some reason you made it this far and you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post 2 new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And last but certainly not least, Thank you so much for watching, and peace.